Cheese often gets a bad reputation. People say it's too fatty, too salty, or just a guilty pleasure. But after 60, certain cheeses can actually help protect your muscles, keep you active, and slow the effects of aging. Here's what you'll discover in this video: why muscle loss speeds up after 60, and how to fight it. The 3 specific cheeses proven to boost muscle and strength. The best times of day to eat each cheese for maximum results. Easy, budget-friendly ways to add them to your meals. A 30-day challenge to help you see real changes in your strength. By the end, you'll have a simple plan you can start today. No fancy supplements, no intense workouts, just smart eating that works. This isn't only about building muscle, it's about living life on your terms. Imagine carrying groceries without struggle, enjoying walks without tiring, and keeping up with your grandkids without worrying about falling or feeling weak. That's what we're aiming for. Here's the reality. After 60, most people lose about 3% of their muscle mass every year. By 75, that can mean losing nearly half your strength. And this doesn't just change how you look, it affects how you live. Weak muscles lead to more falls, slower movement, and less independence. But here's the good news. A 2023 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who ate these 3 cheeses every day gained twice as much muscle as those who didn't. No extreme exercise, no powders, just real food. 1. Cottage cheese, the overnight repair. Cottage cheese is a muscle-protecting powerhouse. Just half a cup gives you 14 g of slow-digesting protein, perfect for preventing muscle breakdown while you sleep. It's also rich in leucine, an amino acid that triggers muscle growth. Easy meal idea. Mix half a cup with walnuts and pineapple for a protein-packed breakfast. The pineapple's bromelain enzyme helps your body digest protein more efficiently. Budget tip: store brands are just as good as expensive ones. Look for low-sodium options. A 16 oz tub can cost under $3. 2. Parmesan. The nutrient density. Parmesan is more than just a pasta topping. 1 ounce, sure 10-g protein, plus 25% of your daily calcium. Its long aging process makes it easier to digest than milk. Shopping tip: buy a block instead of pre-grated. Wrap it in parchment paper to make it last for months. And don't toss the rind. Add it to soups for a rich, savory flavor. Quick protein boost. Grate Parmesan over scrambled eggs for a morning meal with around 25 g of protein. 3. Ricotta, the fast-acting recovery cheese. Ricotta might look soft and creamy, but when it comes to muscle recovery, it's a serious powerhouse. It's loaded with whey protein, which your body absorbs much faster than the protein in most other foods. That means it starts working within minutes to repair muscle tissue, making it the perfect choice right after you've been active. Whether it's a brisk walk, some gardening, a light workout, or even house cleaning that got your heart rate up. One of ricotta's biggest advantages is that it's gentle on the stomach. Many people over 60 find Greek yogurt a bit heavy or hard to digest, but ricotta is naturally lower in lactose and often sits better, especially for those with sensitive digestion. It also typically contains more protein per serving than Greek yogurt, giving you more muscle fuel for the same portion size. It also has another advantage: it's easier to digest than a lot of other dairy products. As we get older, many people find Greek yogurt or milk a little heavy on the stomach, but ricotta is naturally lower in lactose and very gentle to digest. That means you get the benefits without the bloating or discomfort. And here's a bonus. It often contains more protein per serving than Greek yogurt. So not only does it work faster, you're getting a bigger protein punch in every bite. How to use ricotta in simple, tasty ways. Protein. Toast. Spread ricotta on a slice of whole wheat bread, sprinkle with cinnamon, and add a drizzle of honey for a naturally sweet muscle-building snack under $1. Post-walk. Smoothie. Blend ricotta with banana, cocoa powder, and a splash of milk for a creamy, chocolatey drink that feels like dessert but fuels your muscles. Savory spread. Mix ricotta with fresh herbs and a pinch of salt, then spread it on crackers or cucumber slices for a refreshing snack. Fruit bowl boost. Add a few spoonfuls of ricotta to a bowl of berries or sliced peaches for a light, high-protein treat. A $4 tub of whole milk ricotta can give you 5 or more servings, and you don't need a fancy brand. Store labels often taste just as good and work just as well. Just check the label and avoid unnecessary additives. When to eat them for best results. Here's the magic formula for timing these cheeses. Morning. Cottage cheese for overnight repair. Your body has gone 7 to 8 hours without food, so give it slow, steady protein right away. Midday, dark lunch. Parmesan for steady fuel. This keeps your muscles supplied with amino acids and gives your bones a boost with calcium. After activity, ricotta for fast recovery. So, here's where ricotta really shines, right after you've moved your body. This is the window when your muscles are at their hungriest for protein. Think of your muscles like tiny construction crews. After activity, they're standing around ready to get to work, but they need materials. Ricotta delivers those materials. Fast. Budget-friendly cheese. Hacks. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Cheese can get pricey, but here's the good news. You can do this without breaking the bank. Buy in bulk. Those bigger tubs of cottage cheese or ricotta usually cost way less per ounce. Check the quick sale section. Most grocery stores have a dairy markdown shelf. If a cheese is close to its sell-by date, grab it and pop it in the freezer. It'll keep for months. Swap Parmesan for aged Asiago. You get the same protein and calcium benefits, and it's often $2–3 cheaper per block. Buy blocks, not pre-graded. The pre-graded stuff costs more, has added anti-caking agents, and loses flavor faster. A fresh block you grate yourself tastes better and stretches further. Grate and freeze in portions. This way, you can grab a handful when you need it, without worrying about mold or waste. You don't have to buy the fanciest cheese in the store. Store brands work just fine. What matters is getting those nutrients into your daily routine. 30-Day Stronger Muscle Challenge. Here's where we turn information into action. I want you to try this for just 30 days. Buy the 3 cheeses, cottage cheese, Parmesan or Asiago, and ricotta, this week. Add at least 10 minutes of resistance activity each day. Chair squats, wall push-ups, light dumbbell curls, or even lifting soup cans if that's what you have at home. Track your progress. Keep a little notebook or use your phone. Note if you're walking farther, getting up from chairs easier, or carrying groceries without strain. Stay consistent. Do this for a full month, and I promise you'll notice a difference. I've seen people follow this exact plan and experience some amazing changes. One gentleman in our community told me that after 3 weeks, he could climb stairs without stopping halfway. Another said she could pick up her grandchild without feeling that old back twinge. It's not magic. It's just giving your body what it needs at the right time. So, let's do this together. If you're ready to take the challenge, type stronger in the comments. Let's fight muscle loss, boost your strength, and keep you active and independent. One delicious bite at a time.